5, we have the Sony ZV-1F. This is our 5th ranked pick, but it still excels at vlogging with its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and fixed 20mm f2 wide-angle lens. The camera captures sharp 4K video at 30 FPS and features excellent eye-tracking autofocus with 425 contrast detection points. Its vari-angle 3-inch touchscreen makes self-recording simple, while the built-in directional 3-capsule microphone delivers clear audio, enhanced by an included windscreen for outdoor shooting. Face Priority AE automatically brightens faces, and the skin tone algorithms provide natural-looking results. The camera offers quick startup, instant processing of 4K footage, and useful features like background defocus and product showcase settings. Slow-motion capabilities include Full HD at 120 fps, and the camera supports vertical video recording for social media. While it performs exceptionally well indoors, outdoor performance can be challenging. The ZV-1F connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and can function as a plug-and-play webcam for live streaming.